Hey fam, it's Linda Word, and I'm coming on to show you that I finally applied my unit, but it was not an easy task. I actually ruined my front tooth, but I'll show you how. I tried to do the perfect line lace wig grid remover, and my blow dryer quit working on me, so I tried something different and it ruined it. So I'm not even going to do the review about that because that was my mistake. But the thing of it is that I followed the directions for the removal of it, which it says to let it sit in 50 to 70% alcohol for 15 minutes and then shampoo it out. This stuff is not coming out of my wig. I got as much of it out and switched my part to the other side and just kept it moving. Anyway, here's a video. Enjoy.
Can I buy you a drink? Oh, you already have one. Oh no, you don't have to take no cab. Be glad to take you home. You ready to go? Well, finish your drink. Let's get out of here. Be careful. Watch your step, dear. Let me take you home, baby. And please, oh please, be honest with me. You're sitting here all alone, baby. But please, oh please, be honest with me. 'Cause I've been lonely too, and I need someone that I can talk to. So be honest with me. Be honest with me. Be honest with me. That look that's in your eyes, baby, lets me know that you've been crying. 'Cause someone broke your heart, and there's no use in you sitting here lying. I can see it in your eyes, and I can tell you're not drinking. You're just sitting here wasting time and thinking.